Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the multidimensional arrays. In the previous video, we learned about the single dimensional array, and today we'll learn about the multidimensional arrays. So we'll begin with the definition for the multidimensional array. The array which has more than one dimension is called as a multidimensional array, and this is also known as the array of arrays. And we have 2D arrays. This is the basic multidimensional array, and this is also called as matrices. Okay. So this is the syntax for declaration, the data type, array name. Here comes the row size. The next is the column size. This is the example for two-dimensional array. This is the syntax for the initialization for the two-dimensional array. Here is the first row elements, and here is the second row elements. The representation for that two-dimensional array is as follows. Okay. In order to traverse the two-dimensional array element, we use two nested for loops containing two counter variables, one for the row and the other for the column. Okay. So in order to access, we specify the row number and the column number. Okay. We'll learn this using a simple example. Okay, now we'll learn about the two-dimensional arrays. Okay. Hash include stdio.h void main. I'm going to use a variable A. The array is going to have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. And in this step itself, we'll initialize them. Okay. 2, 3, 4. First row element are over. The second row elements are 7, say 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I'm going to have 2 counter variables. I'm going to write nested loop. I is equal to 0. I is less than 2. This is the row size. I plus plus. Okay. So I'm going to write j is equal to 0. J is less than 3, which is the column size. Printf %d. I'm going to use the tab spacing. A of I, A of j. Okay. So for the next row, it would be better if I use the escape sequence /n. Okay. So this program, it is just going to print these values. Okay. I will save it as multi.c. Okay. ECC multi.c minus O multi. See the values for the two-dimensional array that we initialized has got printed. Okay, hope you are all clear with the concepts of multi-dimensional arrays. So in the next video, we'll learn about the pointers. Thank you.